Introducing the stunning 2022 Volkswagen Id.3 PRO 107 kW. Subidawalra business with 145 horsepower, a sleek grey exterior and only 42,000 kilometres on the clock. This electric beauty boasts an array of impressive features including satellite navigation, ambient lighting and collision avoidance braking. With top-of-the-line safety and security features like multiple airbags and lane departure warning, this car prioritises your well-being on the road. Plus, with luxury trim, wireless charging and automatic hazard lights, every drive will be a comfortable and convenient experience. Rest assured, this vehicle has undergone a full multi-point health and safety check, is serviced to manufacturer specification and comes with a comprehensive warranty. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity. Call us or visit mullingarautos.ie for more details today.